Menu. Login. Weekly market analysis, the 6th of November 26. Euro to US dollar. Plus 1.41%. Euro to US dollar set a bottom at 1.08500 and traded up last week, gaining 1.41%. With elections coming up and Trump gaining voters in the polls, markets got scared and the dollar lost strength against its opponents. However, Euro to US dollar didn't make a new high and is still in a downtrend. It will need to go through a lot of resistance levels and make new highs to break out of this downtrend. The elections on Tuesday will give us a direction on where Euro to US dollar will go next. Pound sterling to US dollar. Plus 2.69%. GBP was the biggest gainer against the dollar this week compared to its peers. After breaking through the resistance level at 1.22736 and through the 23.6 Fibonacci level, it accelerated and went all the way up to the 38.2 Fibonacci level around 1.25500. The cable seems to be losing momentum and will need to accelerate again in order to break through 1.25500. US dollar to Japanese yen. Minus 1.52%. US dollar to Japanese yen lost 1.52% this week, but found support at 102.550, which was the resistance level from the 8th of September this year. US dollar to Japanese yen didn't make a new low, and thus the ninja is still working its way upwards. Right now US dollar to Japanese yen is in the value zone, between the 50 and 100 EMA exponential moving average. The value zone signals buying opportunities and hints for new gains next week. Australian dollar to US dollar. Plus 0.96%. Australian dollar to US dollar gained 0.96% last week, but is having trouble with a lot of resistance levels on its way up. The Aussie keeps making higher lows, but fails to make higher highs. Last week Australian dollar to US dollar gained, but MAC lost ground and declined, telling us that the bull power is fading away. Watch the resistance levels at 0.77000 and 0.77500, and the latest low at 0.71576 when election are over. NZD USD. Plus 2.26%. NZD USD is in an uptrend for a year now, and it looks like it isn't ending soon. The trend line, that goes all the way back to September 2015, gives a lot of support. However, NZD USD will need to make a new high in order to confirm that it's still in an uptrend. The resistance level at 0.75000 is around the 50.0 Fibonacci retracement level. Thus will need a lot of strength to break through that resistance level and make a new high. US dollar to Canadian dollar. Plus 0.5%. US dollar to Canadian dollar gained only 0.5% and is having a lot of trouble with the 1.34500 resistance level, the high from September 2015. AustCAD will probably trade in a range until elections are over. DAX. Minus 3.75%. The DX declined 3.75% last week, after investors worried about the U.S. elections results. After the DX broke out on the upside of the symmetrical triangle, it quickly failed to break through the 10.800,00 resistance level. The result of this rejection was a huge sell-off, and the DX is now searching for support, which it will probably find at 10.100,00. WEI. Minus 8.66%. WEI declined 8.66% this week. WEI failed to break through its resistance at 51.50, and MACD went through its centerline, starting a huge sell-off. WEI will find support at 43.20 and 39.50. Bookmark with